Hello friends, I hope you're doing well. Here all in one big bundle for Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Photoshop, and some files are Adobe Lightroom and other for web like WordPress etc. Okay, and but these are protected. First you need subscription. Go to sheriskpwd.com and get subscription for lifetime. Then you have access of my all file. Okay, here a font design, Victor birds. Okay, and here map and chart. Okay, text or photo, and here for web design, overlay, the rainmaker action for Photoshop, resume, vectors, here background, sand and sun, rainy day. Okay, 60, here a font, image mask, font design, geometric mask, 300 for your design, air ribbon and other clip art. Amazing. Geometric mask again with different design. Illustrator graphic style. For Lightroom. Six CV cover letter. Style layer for Photoshop. Okay. All files are in zip file. You can extract. Here blue sky, open this one, you see here. Okay, I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.